Do you know a Chantuan? Okay. Did you request anybody to pick up your bags from the airport today? He does have your white watch with gold ring. He's actually currently wearing it. He said he's had that for a long time.
On the 25th of April 2024, at Dallas Fort Worth International Airport, officers from the Airport Police Department conducted an administrative stop after observing an individual's suspicious behavior. The subject took a suitcase from the baggage carousel and quickly moved toward the train to exit the terminal. Under the 1,968 landmark case Terry vs. Ohio, officers have the authority to briefly detain an individual for investigation if there is reasonable suspicion that a crime is afoot.
Come on. Come on, grab your stuff. Step off. Grab your stuff. Let's go ahead and step off real quick. Go ahead and step off. Grab it. I know. I got it. We're going to bring it off.
Is this out of service?
No. Go ahead and grab your card. Go ahead and get off.
I'll get the card. Just neighbor, have a seat over here, okay?
So, where are you coming from?
I just come from downtown.
Downtown?
Yeah.
Okay. So were you at the airport just a minute ago?
Not recently.
Not recently? Okay. So why would we have a Sonia luggage with you in your possession?
Because I got a call for it.
You got a call for it?
Yeah.
Who called you for it?
By her.
Her? She called you? So right now we have you at the airport going to there and just picking that up and walking away.
And she called me.
Okay. You have any ID on you or anything like that?
No, I don't.
Okay.
How'd she call you?
Oh, Parkland.
She called you at Parkland?
Yes, I was at Parkland.
Okay. And how do you know her?
Oh, been friends for a long time.
Been friends for a long time?
Very long time.
Well, so how old is Sonia?
How old is she?
I'm sorry?
How old is she?
Yeah. How do you guys know each other? I know you said a long time, but how do you know each other? You guys go to school together? You guys?
Yeah.
So she's the same age as you?
Mm-hmm.
What age is that?
It's been so long.
You don't know your own age?
Yeah, I know my age.
Okay.
We're the same age. I'm 36.
Okay, so she would be 36 also, okay? Okay.
Is that your hospital band?
Yes.
Let me see it real quick. Hey, I'm going to take a picture of it, all right?
Okay.
I got the spelling wrong. What were you in Parkland for?
Oh, medication.
Medication? Okay. Well, I see all those cards that you have in your hand are also for Sonia as well. She tell you to get those too?
Yep.
Okay. Well, whose car keys are those?
It's mine.
Those are her car keys too?
No, it's mine. I was at Parkland.
Those are your car keys?
Yes, it's mine. We share a car.
Okay. So here's the deal. So right now you're detained, okay?
Okay.
You're detained for an ongoing investigation for theft in progress, okay? We're going to contact Miss Sonia to see if she actually told you to come get it for her.
Oh, okay.
Okay? Right now would probably be the best thing to probably tell us the truth.
About what? I picked up a luggage.
Okay. Were you directed to?
Yes. I got called.
You were called
Yeah.
by Sonia herself and said, hey, go pick up my luggage from the airport.
I got called.
How do you know Sonia?
You just told us all
Long time friend.
Long-time friend? Where'd y'all meet?
Way back in high school.
High school?
Yes.
You're the same age.
I just gave him the PNR, so he's going to go talk to Prospect and just get a contact number.
Okay.
Do you have anything that's on you? That's any weapons or anything like that? Needles, knives, or anything like that? No? Where'd you get that watch from?
I've been having it.
You've been having it?
Yes, for a long time. Quite a long time.
So is that a credit card? Sonia's credit card?
No, it's not a credit card.
Debit card?
Yes, it's a debit.
It's a debit card?
Yes.
We can see those keys real quick.
They're old. It's an old car.
So what kind of car is it?
Lincoln.
Lincoln? Okay. So do you have a phone on you?
No, I don't.
Do you have a tile?
Tile?
Do you know what that is?
What's that? Title?
A tile. Do you know what a tile is?
What, towel? Or what?
Like a tile. T-I-L-E.
A rag? What you mean, a rag?
No, not a towel. A tile. T-I-L-E. Do you know what that is?
Towel? No, where you going?
No, you don't know what it is?
I don't know what you're talking about.
So if these are your car keys, you should know what's on your car keys, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's an old car.
I understand it's an old car. But when I ask you, do you have a tile, you don't know what that is. There happens to be a tile on this keychain. You would think you would know what a tile is if you have it on your keychain.
It's been so long. I've been in Parkland all day.
Okay. Chantuan, you see how the story's not adding up, right?
I just don't support it.
I mean, I can ask anybody out here, they probably know exactly what's on their car keys. Okay?
Sure, but I mean,
we can figure out, we can call her right now and see if she has a Lincoln. If she has a towel on, if she can track it, and if it all comes back to her, you have her keys in her possession.
I've been at Portland, and I was going back to Portland too.
So what made you come out here to the airport besides coming to pick up her stuff?
Oh Lord, I've been having a long day.
So what time she call you?
Oh, this is way earlier, and I'm late. Late picking it up.
And what made her have you come pick up the bag instead of her picking up her own bag?
It's a long friend, but she called me from emergency.
From the emergency room?
Yes.
Hey, we're here at the baggage claim. The bag was actually sitting next to the ticket counter. By them, it was a bag that came in earlier. The passenger's not even here. They don't have any of the information.
It looks like it came in at 2:30, but I got the PNR, and actually we just looked at the bag tag and it's got a file number, so Cons is calling there right now.
All the information is on the bag, so I guess contact the victim, see what they want done.
Sweet, thank you.
Cool, thank you.
I guess that would have been easy just to look at that.
Hey, figure it out as we go.
Yeah.
Is this Miss Sonia? This is Officer Chris Cons from DFW Airport Police. How are you? So we have an incident. Do you know hold on one second, let me get his name, first of all. Do you know Chantuan? Okay. Did you request anybody to pick up your bags from the airport today? Okay. We currently have a bag that has your number, your bag tag on it in our possession. An individual got off of a DART train, walked up to the Terminal A, grabbed your bag, got back on the DART train, and we have him here in our custody right now. He's detained. So I'm making contact with you to make sure whether or not you gave him permission to retrieve your bag, because he's stating that you called him to come pick up his bag for you. Okay. Do you happen to own a vehicle? What kind of vehicle do you own? Lincoln MKS? Okay. Do you have a tile on your keychain? Okay. It doesn't work? What about like a white watch? If I was to send you pictures of things with gold on it, just
Watch it?
Yep. Okay. Do I have permission to go through your bag to make sure everything's all here? We're going to search the individual's person to make sure what else he has on him. He does have your white watch with gold ring. He's actually currently wearing it. He said he's had that for a long time. He said the car keys was his. It's an old Lincoln. But whenever I asked him about the tile, he didn't even know what a tile was. So, which confirmed the fact that he didn't even know those were his car keys. But we're going to search him to make sure there's nothing else on him that may be yours. I know he was holding a couple credit cards in his hands when I first made contact with him. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a picture of everything that was on his person, and I'm going to send them to you. Let me give you a call back, and then I'll let you know everything else, okay?
Don't take something.
The subject, identified as Sean Tuan, claimed he was assisting a longtime friend named Sonia by picking up her luggage because she was facing an emergency at Parkland Hospital. However, Tuan's story began to show serious holes when he could not provide basic information about this friend, such as her exact age. In law enforcement practice, the absence of supporting details for an alibi is often a red flag for deception, reinforcing the officer's initial reasonable suspicion. Officer Cons noticed Tuan was wearing a guess watch and holding keys for a Lincoln vehicle equipped with a tile tracking tag. When questioned, Tuan had no idea what a tile was, despite it being attached directly to the keychain he claimed was his. This is an effective interrogation technique to verify property ownership. A lack of knowledge regarding personal items in one's possession serves as strong circumstantial evidence that the property does not belong to the subject.
So this stuff is for sure all his. He had the American Airlines jacket on him.
Yeah, before you bring in any of the property, I just let him know he has or two lighters.
I'll let him know though.
So those are definitely his slides.
Yeah.
We'll throw his pizza away.
Yeah.
But he's got Sonia's name on
Oh,
the pizza.
well, he might. Oh.
Unless he wrote it on there or something, I don't know. Hey, all those cards that he had,
Yeah.
no, I want to see if they're hers. Because he had her debit card on him, so I don't. Yeah, so I don't know where he got these from. Now I can't prove the cash. Hi, Miss Sonia. It's Officer Cons again. So I just went and did just a search of your bag. I'm just gonna go over things with you as I put it back in. So I pulled everything out, and I'm gonna go over it with you, putting it back in. You have several articles of like envelopes and paperwork and documents with all of your name on it in here. A couple gift cards in here that has your. I think there's also like a membership card or something like that with your name on it. He had those gift cards on his person, your white guest watch on his person, and also the car keys on his person. What I need from you, a copy of your driver's license, and can you give me like a ballpark estimate of how much all this would cost? The reason I'm asking is because there's different levels of offenses for theft.
Well, I know the uniforms alone cost about $300, and then the watches. I would say we're close to like $1,000 in that bag if you added the gift cards and all that. Yeah. Okay, so that guest watch was about $300.
Guest watch is about $300. Okay.
Yeah.
The other watch that you had in that that baggie, is that another guest watch? I'm assuming. No, it's a 9 West watch.
Yeah, that probably was only about 59 or something like that.
59ish.
Just all the earrings together, I would just say about $150, $200.
Okay. That is enough for us right now to basically add the charge that we need to have.
Okay. Did he go through the bag?
So I don't know 100%. My belief is, where did you have a American Airlines sweatshirt at? Would it have been like right on top?
Yeah, my sweater.
Yes, a sweater.
Yeah.
So I don't know, and I'm not digging too far into this, Miss Sonia. I don't know how you pack your bags. It does look like it may have been gone through, but it looks like all he did was take stuff out of the. Where was your car keys and the white gold watch at?
It should have been in like a pocket on the side.
In the front?
Or something like that.
Like a top front pocket, like the small front pocket on the top?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's the only pouch that was open. I don't believe a sweatshirt would fit in there, which leads me to believe that he did enter into your main compartment of your suitcase. But the only part that was open when I made contact with him was the top small part, which I led to believe is where probably all that small stuff was located. The stuff
When you saying sweatshirt, are you saying a sweater or?
Yeah, the sweater. I'm sorry. Just like the sweater jacket with like the American Airlines wings symbol on them. That's the only thing that had on it. But nothing else he had on him, except for, like I said, your car keys. The actual white watch with the gold, the guest watch, he actually had around his wrist. He was wearing it. The baggie of the miscellaneous jewelry, that was at the very bottom. I just saw that it may be of value, so that's why I pulled it out.
Okay. All right.
I just wanted to make sure, because I only saw one of some things. I wanted to make sure that you knew there's only one of some things, which you did confirm.
Okay. All right.
As far as what he's going to do, you are the victim of the offense, so he will be going to jail if you want to file charges.
Yes.
Okay, there you go. So he is going to jail for a theft of property, $750 to $2,500. Okay?
Okay.
Using the luggage tag, the officer contacted the true owner, Sonia. The victim confirmed she did not know anyone named Sean Tuan and stated that the guest watch the subject was wearing was her property from inside the suitcase. Under the Fourth Amendment, this search and seizure was lawful because the police established probable cause through the victim's statement and the subject's own contradictions. Determining the property's value is the key factor in classifying the offense level, with a total value including the guest watch, jewelry, and clothing estimated at approximately $1,000. This act constitutes theft under Texas Penal Code Section 31.03. Under Texas law, theft of property valued between $750 and less than $2,500 is classified as a Class A misdemeanor, carrying much stricter penalties than simple petty theft. Based on the Graham versus Connor standard, The officers executed the arrest professionally and reasonably. Tuan's explanation of helping a friend completely collapsed in the face of irrefutable physical evidence. Sean Tuan was handcuffed and transported to the DFW police station on charges of theft of property and was officially banned from the airport. This is the inevitable result of strict law enforcement based on objective evidence. Regarding the evaluation, Officer Chris Cons receives an A- for his keen observation skills and professional demeanor, though he could have secured the evidence sooner. The subject, Sean Tuan, receives an F due to his brazen theft and inconsistent fraudulent statements. The lesson learned from this event is to always maintain vigilance over personal property in public. It also demonstrates the effectiveness of tracking devices and luggage tags in protecting ownership rights. Let us know your thoughts on this case in the comments below. Do you think the subject wearing the victim's watch immediately was due to overconfidence or simply a lack of caution? Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth legal analysis of police interactions. Goodbye, and we'll see you in the next video.